Una Brown is an American ice dancer. He was born on September 10, 2004 in Greenport, New York. Her parents are John Brown and Louise DeVirgilio. She has 6 siblings: Gage, who is her ice dance partner Adira Rowan, Tristan, Liam and Morgant. Brown plays the drums and piano and plays the snare in 2 Irish marching bands. She also enjoys gardening, running, knitting, reading and referees soccer. Competing with her brother, Gage Brown, she is the 2021 US Junior National Silver Medalist, the 2020 US Junior National Bronze Medalist, and finished within the top 10 at the 2020 World Junior Championships. Una Brown started skating at age 4. She and her brother Gage were paired up as an ice dance team in 2016. At the intermediate level, they placed 4th at their first distance sectionals and 12th at the 2017 US Championships. They moved up to the novice level for the 2017-18 season, placing 1st their next sectional championships and 5th 2018 US Championships. They made their international debut at the 2018 Bavarian Open, where they competed in the advanced novice competition and placed 3rd. In September 2020, the USFSA held the virtual ISP or International Selection Pool Points Challenge, which allowed skaters to be judged by ISU level judges. The competition was used to give skaters buys to nationals, which would usually be obtained through the Grand Prix series and will also be used in the selection process for future international events. The Browns placed 2nd overall in the junior event and qualified for the 2021 US Championships. The Browns began the 2019-20 season at the 2019 Lake Placid Ice Dance International, where they placed 4th. For the 2019-20 Junior Grand Prix, they were assigned to the 2019 JGP Russia and the 2019 JGP Italy, where they placed 8th and 5th respectively. They went on to place 4th at the 2020 Ice Dance Final and qualified for the 2020 US Championships, where they won the bronze medal. For the 2018-19 season, the Browns moved up to the junior level. They made their junior Grand Prix debut at the 2018 JGP Lithuania, where they placed 9th. They placed 8th at the 2018 JGP Armenia and won silver at the 2018 Eastern Sectionals. They advanced to the 2019 US Championships, where they placed 4th at the junior level and won the pewter medal.